Are you tired of taking medication for allergies, sinus, seasonal cold? Looking for a natural alternative? Then I have a perfect solution for all you sufferers out there. Hi, I'm Shweta and welcome back to Meals and Moves. So this natural technique is not only more effective than medication but also economical. So in today's video, I will be going over nasal rinse or nasal cleansing, the history of nasal cleansing, what are the benefits, and how to properly use Neti pot. So keep watching. Do you know that nasal rinse has been practiced in India as part of ancient yoga technique from thousands of years? In yoga, nasal rinse is known as Jal Neti, where Jal means water and meaning of Neti is to guide. Therefore, Jal Neti is guiding the water through the nasal passage to cleanse them. Now, nasal rinse or Jal Neti is an essential part of 6 purification procedure for mental and physical cleansing of body as recommended by Hatha Yoga. They are also known as shatkriya or shatkarma. So basically guys, this technique is tried and tested by many with positive outcomes. And I hope after watching this video, you guys will also incorporate nasal rinsing as part of your daily routine. For nasal rinse, you will need a Neti pot. They are easily available online or at your nearest pharmacy. You will need some lukewarm water. I repeat, lukewarm water. You can use distilled water, you can use filtered or RO water. In case you're using tap water, make sure you boil it before you use it. You will also need some salt. Generally, Neti pot comes with a few sachets. So they look like this. You can use one of these. Today I'm going to use Himalayan salt, which is also known as rock salt or pink salt. Make sure whatever salt you're using, it is non-iodized. So guys, now we are ready to start our nasal rinse. So I have lukewarm water in my Neti pot. I'm going to add pinch of Himalayan salt into it. Make sure you add enough salt but not too much. I'm going to mix it. And it is ready to use. Now, one thing which is very, very important is that in the entire process, you don't breathe from your nose. You actually breathe from your mouth. So make sure you breathe, but from your mouth. So keep your mouth a little open. Now I'm going to bend my body over a basin about 45 degrees. Tilt your head to the left and insert the spout into your right nostril. Now, why did I tilt my head to the left? So that it becomes easy for the water to flow out from my left nostril, right? So I'm going to pour half the content of the pot through the right nostril and then I'll repeat the process from left side. So bend your body, tilt your neck, insert the spout of the Neti so that it's easy, it's fixed there. Breathe from your mouth and then let's see what happens. Now I'm going to repeat the process from my left nostril. Tilt your head to the right, insert the spout of the Neti pot into the left nostril. Breathe from your mouth and be at 45-degree angle. Okay. And this is it. You're done. Basically, it's very simple if you follow the right technique. So guys, I'm done with my nasal rinse. Now it's very important that you practice Kapalbhati, which is a kind of pranayam, to blow out all the excess water from both of your nostrils. Guys, this is very important. You don't want any excess water in your system. It can cause infection. So do practice Kapalbhati for a couple of minutes after nasal rinse. I hope this video was useful for you. If yes, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.